Now guys, we are going to talk about WhatsApp bulk message senders. These tools or these applications helps you to send multiple messages, like hundreds and thousands of messages in just one go to your contacts. Now first we are going to talk about the pros and cons of these bulk message senders. Then I'll suggest you, or I'll give you my opinion, like you should use these bulk message senders or not. So let's talk about the pros first. So if I scroll a little bit here I have mentioned 4 pros. The first one is very affordable costing. Yes, if you buy these tools, you will get, easily you can get these kind of tools at just 5, 10 or $20 per month, right? And affordability wise, these tools are very cheap and you can say very affordable, right? Second point I have mentioned over here, easy to use and access. Yes, there is no any verification or any kind of hard setup process. No, you just need to enter your contacts and just send your messages. This is how it's done. It is very easy to use and access. And then the third point is you can send any message. Yes guys, if you are going with the legit way, which is basically the WhatsApp API, right? The legit way is to use WhatsApp API to send bulk messages, right? If you are using that method, then you can't use any message or whatever the message you want. No, you first need to approve the message from Meta so that you can send those messages to thousands of people in just one click, right? But using these bulk message sender tools, you can send whatever you want to your contacts. Now the fourth point is you can white label and sell it too. Yes guys, you can buy these tools. For example, you have purchased these tool for $50, and now what you can do is you can paste your logo on that tool and you can sell that tool to market, in the market, because these kind of tools are pretty easy to make. If you are a normal software developer, or if you know how to code or how to create an application, you can create a you can create a bulk message sender tool, right? Now these were the pros, right? Now I'm going to talk about the cons of this tool or these kind of tools. So the first or the very major con is normal script based tool. As I told you, these are just normal script based tool. You just need to create a script and you are good to go. You can run that script and your tool will be working properly, right? Then the second point is, again, second is also a very major point, which is uses WhatsApp web technology to access your account, access basically to message or to send messages to hundreds or thousands of people in one go. And the main point is WhatsApp doesn't allow us to do like that, right? So if WhatsApp caught you that you are doing something like this, or you are using something any tool like this, WhatsApp bulk sender tool, kind of these things, then definitely your account is going to be suspended, right? So using these WhatsApp bulk message sending tools is totally prohibited from WhatsApp's side, right? If they caught you, then definitely your account is going to be suspended. So, and in future you'll be not able to create any WhatsApp account with that mobile number. So keep this thing in mind, right? And the third point is not authorized from Meta and WhatsApp. So these applications is not authorized or don't have any permission from Meta or WhatsApp to do these kind of things or to provide bulk messaging services to their customers. No, they are just they have just created a script using WhatsApp web technology and they are selling their service or their application, nothing else, right? And even you can create, or even if a 15-year-old who know how to code can create these kind of tools. Then the fourth point is your number can get blocked. As I told you, if WhatsApp caught you that you are doing these kind of stuff or you are using these kind of applications, then definitely you are going to blocked, or basically your number is going to get blocked. Now if you don't know what are these WhatsApp bulk message sender tools, so basically what you can do is, there's no any specific name or there's no specific brand who provides these kind of tools, because as I told you that these tools are pretty easy to make and anyone can create or anyone can sell these tools, right? So what you can do is you can go on Google and just search WhatsApp bulk message sender, right? That's it. This is the keyword you need to enter, and just hit the enter button and you'll see multiple options over here. As you can see, cheapest price bulk message, no delete, no sender ID, 100%, something like this, right? And this is the site is 99smsservice.com, totally cheap one. Then digiwork.in.net, pay once, use unlimited. Then there's one more, try for free, send WhatsApp bulk message. So these are the tools which you can get or which you can use if you want to get blocked. So my suggestion is not to use these kind of tools, but yeah, businesses use the small or the individual kind of businesses use these kind of tools frequently, and sometimes they get success too, but most of the or majority of time their mobile phone gets, mobile number gets suspended, their accounts get suspended, and they just fall under this loop. They buy a new number, they create a new WhatsApp account, they connect with these WhatsApp bulk sender tools, and then again they suspended the number, then again they buy the number, and the loop just goes on, right? But in my opinion, if you want my suggestion, so don't use these kind of tools. And after this, I'm going to talk about the legit way of sending thousands or even hundreds of thousands of messages in just one click, right?